And there you have it, guys. My white chocolate, yummy, whipped coffee. Okay guys, so this morning I'm gonna try to make some whipped coffee. And here's the ingredients. It's really pretty simple. I've got some instant coffee powder, regular sugar, of course a glass, a bowl, and I'm gonna add some white chocolate flavored syrup to it as well. Let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, so in this bowl, I've got a tablespoon. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of the coffee, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. And then I'm gonna whip it up using this. Let's see how this works. Okay, I got it all in here. Now let's whip it up. Okay guys, when it's done, it looks like that. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my glass ready. I'm gonna fill it with ice. Then I'm gonna add some milk to the ice. Some of my white chocolate syrup. And then I'm going to spoon this yummy stuff on top of it.